Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, Haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra san sau. Lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar riunyo. Kajingi Shimbynta jongi kena school nagi school baper. Kiba hap apo ka Umling CNR di blok hari Bhoi district. Haka Jingpyrshah priang ya ka khubor halor ka Jingsniu jongi ja Jingbam Jingdi. Kiba kata ya ka koi ka khia. Kiba kentup kumukwai, biri, usikret, ukaini, uduma, bat kiwe kabala penlong haka dur jong ka Jingekop na ka benta ki kena school jong ki school kiba hap apo ka Umling CNR di blok. Hausnem ubladem kata hausnem arjar arpsau halor ka tim ka bong say no to tobacco. Badah din ke Jingpyrshah benia halor kini ke school ki balai Shimbynta ha ke Jingpyrshah priang ye kini ke khubor halor kini ke Jingsniu jong kini ki ja Jingdi ka Sorkar jela kala pen kuburom ye ki school ki badan hari Bhoi district ki bahap hapo ka Umling CNR di blong ki balala ban lebha ha kini ke Jingpyrshah priang ye kini ke khubor sekeleng ki paiba kini ke Jingpen kuburom ye ki school ki badan ha kini ke blong ka dei ke bagi school ki Shimbynta Ryntih ka bala poi hadu khendai po khendai poin pra persen. Hagane ke Jingpen kuburom ye kini school lawan bani Shimbynta dau ba meral bonsim ubri MLA jongga Nongpoh constituency kabalong kum ke jingai mensim shushu ya ki bor punya school hagane district bat kham gerbang ya ka Umling CNR di blong kabala yo ya kene ke Jingpen kuburom kum ka khusnam na kaliang jong office ka district school education office kala boru ya ka thong ban penlong ya ki free education lani ki jingai jing hikai ye ya ki kimi ki khpa ki ba omdon jingnang jingtip ya ka tho ka pule hamman lagi shnong ya ka balala ban sedang nadu snem arjar arpsau bala bo ya ka thong ban pendam hadu arjar arphanyau uba meral bons em haba jingkran ulapan pau ya ka jingkemen ka bakrau ba ki school ha Umling block ki yo ya ka ni ka khusnam best performance award na ka Sorkar jela nalor uba meral bons em kum kongsan hagane ka singi lai don lang ru ka DSEO ri Bhoi district ka kong KB Jirwa nangta ka director ka Shrimati Ruby Z Das nangta uba Rocky kala ki nong hikai jong ki school bat kiwe.
It is important that recognition is accomplished. Recognition is always there in each and every one of us. Whatever we have done, if there is a recognition, there is a good feeling within each and every one of us. If someone have done good thing, if there is no recognition, somehow we felt left out in society. But what good things has been done, we have seen. We would like to congratulate each and every one of you, apart from the official who are working day and night to ensure that educational system has to be in place and to bridge the gap between the facilities that the government, be it at the central or the state government, intend to give to the public at large. The official are there, as well as the school managing committee, the principal, the headmaster, the headmistress, the teachers, and all of you who are there within the system, who work tirelessly day and night to ensure our present generation to become someone in days to come. Just recently, I'm very proud to witness the result of SSLC examination. Even though there are several criticisms about CM guidebook, about pass percentage and all, we understand in a vibrant democracy, there is always merit and demerit. To every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. That is natural. If you done good thing also, critics will always be there, criticism will always be there, and we'll look forward for constructive criticism. And we have seen this year, it is a tremendous result that has come out. As I have said in my opening remark, merit, demerit is always there. As legislator, whenever we pass any legislation in the House, be it in state legislative assembly or be it in parliament, there is always merit and demerit to any legislation. That's why there is amendment to make it better days to come. When we found out any loopholes and all, it has to be corrected through amendment. At the same time, we experienced this year also. I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the schools, especially who have produced students who have become topper, top 20 in SSLC 2025. Many schools from the Bhoi district also we have seen. Let us not take it as a negative result. That is my personal feeling. This is the time, changes is always there. We are living in the world of changes, in the world of change, time and again. But let us be very optimistic. We have to be very optimistic, we have to be very positive from now onward. We understand there are loopholes here and there within the system, but we have to go ahead with a positive mind so that we can work together. Now, the Bhoi district being an aspirational district, there are many facilities that have been provided by the central government. We have witnessed since 2018-19 onward, especially in the field of education, health and sanitation and other parameters that has been described within the aspirational district criteria. And I'm not saying that school in the Bhoi district we have achieved 100% in general category. Even though in Delta ranking, in aspirational district, sometimes we are number 1, sometimes we are number 3, sometimes we are number 2. It's like that. Despite of all the challenges that we face, but still we are moving ahead with a positive mind. Hats off to all the school, to the teachers. We have different patterns of school in our state, government or ad hoc or deficit, SSA or even fully private. Teachers climb with due respect, run from pillar to post, fight for a right, salary, but still I have seen a positive mind within the teachers' fraternity. As a legislator, I have been trying from time and again to ensure that with regard to different facilities that you are entitled to get, we are there with you. I'm not saying that whatever we are trying to do 100% it will be positively we will be getting within a days or two, but it will take time. So my humble request to each and every one of you is that let us work together. Despite of many challenges, which is always there, let us work together as one of the legislators from Bhoi and within the state also. I'm very open. That's why during discussion, we would like to know whatever you have done to those illiterate citizens in different villages through voluntary teachers while they are trying the level best. We would like to know. That's why I'm very curious to know what they do. And I always like to interact like that. Being in a function and all, always formal, it is not nice. Sometimes it has to be casual also. We'll discuss, someone not in program also will take part, will share. All this we have to know. Then only will come to the ground reality, what is really happening at the ground.
Work together to make this program a success. As we have heard earlier from our district coordinator that Bhoi district secure a very high percentage. I know all of us here, we know very well the plus points and the minus points for consuming tobacco. What I believe is this: in our homes, if the family members of our homes are not healthy, everything is not good. In the society, in the state, in our district, if our citizens are not healthy, I believe we will be no good. Because what I believe, health is wealth. So, tobacco kills. All of you have seen the writing, right? Tobacco kills. Smoking kills. But still, we still love to practice that, right? Yes? It's very clear, it's very obvious. So I think it is high time, a very, very high time for us, all of us. I will not say only the teachers in school, all of us, each and every one of us, starting from that we should sensitize each and everyone, not only the students, even the adults. What are the ill effects of tobacco? Because the government's initiative is very good. The block initiative is very good. We know all the activities. There were signature campaigns, and then we used to have those rallies where we asked the students to carry all those placards and all saying, say no to tobacco, right? So what I want to mention here, especially to our teachers, to our dear teachers, to please inculcate this into the minds of the students. Their minds are still fresh. Not to get themselves indulged in these activities. Because we all know, we are all aware of all the bad, habits.
Before I was selected from the village community, I joined there as a youth, not as a teacher before. So we are not getting training first of all. That is the truth, sir. Yes, sir. We are not trained for that one at first time. So we have to call all the community people, those who are not illiterate, or we also invite students who have dropped out from school. Most of the students, they have dropped out, like family who are not able to support them, they have dropped out until 7, 8 they drop out. They want to never drop out. So we call them. You can see on the book that we distribute. We use that book. We're so thankful from the office they provide us this book. For us who are illiterate, it's very easy. We can say it's very easy. For those of them who are not learned by this one, and I'm very grateful for all the people of Farmsing. Sometimes we just get notice from sir for 1 week. We are having an assessment exam, sir. We are having assessment exam. We used to conduct it's like a test. We are getting all our sheet. So before conducting that test, we used to take this book. We call all the community people. But unfortunately, in our school, we don't have good supply of electricity. So people are going for day laborers job. They cannot come on daytime. So we call them with a lot of requests. You know how people are going. They will explain us, we don't have time, we have to go to our job, to our paddy field, to every job. So we have to wait on them. So there we used to carry pen, pencil, whatever we collect from office. Along with this book we teach. Some of them they only learn. But some of them they don't know even how to give signature. That is the best progress. We teach them how to give a signature. Sometimes they come us with a problem, they say, how to do this passbook, Sometimes in a book, he will show you. Even a cell phone, they don't know how to do it. Sometimes we are teaching other things. They are telling us, look on my phone, how to save a contact number. So small things. Especially when they come, those times we teach them with alphabets. And some students who have dropped out from school, especially those mothers, the mothers are very good. Looking to a woman. They saying like this. One mother was saying, ngaso kumba konsim tuition nang mana pun ke school pun ju pumne ki ngok ngaso kuman pati accordingly they were saying like this. They were really happy that you call us. It remind back. Sometimes we teach our children, but we don't know how to teach properly. We have to send tuition. But through this program, we are learning how to teach the kids.
An initiative by Education Department and Ministry of Health to join hands together to tackle tobacco use and tobacco consumption. And for this, we have come across 20, or we have rolled out 20 programs since last 3 years. Okay, and all the schools here are actively participating in Treihok. And because of the school participation, Bhoi district has also got an award last year. We have achieved 95% of activities at the school in Bhoi district. It's all the hard work of the school, so I really congratulate the school and all the staff of education who really help the school and also the education department in implementing and making Bhoi district as an example district to other district also, because we are the one who achieve more than 90% achievement in active participation of the program. So, and I can congratulate Umling block also, because they got the best block. They got 99.8% in active participation of the program last year. And I wish that this year also we will do the same. And I know that it's difficult to take part in Treihok program. There are so many activities like appointing a nodal officer in the school, keeping the signage, report tobacco shop near school. Also, we have to report as the school. No? Within 100 meter yards, there should be no tobacco selling near the school campus, and the school have actively participate, report if there is any shop that's selling tobacco near the school. They actively report to us, and we forward it directly to the DC office, and DC take the initiative with the police department. So it's all our hard work. Each and every one of you here, you really deserve the award that we are going to get today. And I hope that in the year to come also, you will do your best. Because whatever we do now is for our future generation, it's for our future children. Because Meghalaya is known as a cancer state. Why? Because we consume tobacco since our childhood, because it's like our tradition. But now it's time to change mindset. As a teacher, if we understand enough the harmful effect of tobacco, only then we can sensitize our teachers, our students. So for this program that Sir have organized today, it's very effective for all the school. I think that when we see in social media through the video that we are going to report that this program is very helpful and effective, and if you take part in it, our future will be brighter.
These people are agree not to use the tobacco. Around 2,22,423 people under Umling block have signed, taken the oath that they will not have tobacco anymore in their future life. So with this objective, we have to work this year also. I humbly request all the school principals over here to carry out this program, so that our community will be saved from the health risk like cancer, as we know that Meghalaya is the prone of cancer, and particular our Bhoi district also. Then by checking, by awareing the people about the tobacco, we are in position to check the cancer disease which is spreading in our Meghalaya now and then. In such a wonderful program, which is connected with the society, I would like to extend my heartful and warm welcome to our chief guest for today's program, Sir Sri Meral Bonsiam, local MLA Nongpoh constituency, cum chairman, Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board, Government of Meghalaya, respected Madam Joint Director of School Education and Literacy, cum DMC, Bhoi district, Nongpoh, Sir Madam Kaba, DSO, Bhoi district Nongpoh, Sir Raki Kila, Chairman, Umling Bhoi district, all dignitaries present over here, along with my dear colleague, PMC Umling, Sir Sri Lumlang Nungsit, my respected principals, respected teachers, and my dear colleague, official staff from office of the Umling, and at last it is the Konglagi Nora Tumun, district community mobilizers, to this wonderful program, sir.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru yue ar nyau lai